Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or create QR code for product page using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to create QR code for product page and we are going to add using shortcode. So scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write Kaya QR code generator. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see Kaya Studio and then you see QR code generator. So click on it. Now we are in QR code generator and then you see shortcode and different option. So we are going to add in product page. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see product. So click on it. Now you see all product. So click on edit. Now you see multiple product. So click on edit. Now edit product open and scroll down. Now you see Kaya QR code generator, expand it. Then you see QR code preview. If you want you can download it. Now you see shortcode generated. Now copy this and we are going to paste in product page. Now you see description section. Now paste here and then click on update. So you can add this shortcode in one page or multiple pages according to your requirement. Now you see product updated. Now click on view product. Now you see view product, so click on it. Now product open and scroll down. We are in description tab. Now you see QR code. So in this way you can add QR code in product pages by using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.